How to fix TikTok not showing followers. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for TikTok just to make sure you have an updated version of the TikTok application, because a lot of times when you do not have an updated version, the older version may have some issue to cooperate and coordinate with the application. So let's search for the TikTok application. So we're gonna go back and launch Play Store again over here, and we're going to search for TikTok. So let's search for it and let's tap on TikTok over here. And as you search for TikTok here, it says there are no updates available since we do not have any update option. So we're going to go back and simply make a long press on the TikTok application. As you make a long press on the TikTok application, you'll be able to see the option of app info. So tap on app info and it will take us to this new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So you just have to wait for a while and simply tap on clear data, then clear the cache and tap on OK. As you do that, this might help you fix your issue as well. So relaunch TikTok application and you'll be fine. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.